welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. It's been a minute. I have missed you guys. Like, I've honestly missed everyone. I've missed like interacting with you guys on YouTube, making videos. Yeah, but anyways, today's just a cute makeup tutorial. I was like, ooh, I was like, yeah, let me just record something cute for you guys. I freestyled this look, but I like it. It bangs. So I did post on Snap. If you have me on Snap, if you don't, add me now. It will pop up on the screen so you can add me. Anyway, so yeah, first week of January I was getting ready for my birthday, so I was like, for the first 2 weeks of Jan, no videos till the week of the 15th, because obviously I was preparing for my birthday. After, I was just tired, I was moving up and down, it was just a lot going on. So yeah, anyways, point is, I don't like the fact that I haven't made any content and the year started, like, bruh. So yeah, I decided I was going to do a quick makeup tutorial for you guys on this look. I did my hair off camera. I didn't really do much to it, okay. I just like put like loose waves in it. But yeah, basically I just show you guys how I got this cute look. I like it and I hope you guys like it as well. It's simple, it's cute, it was easy, and everything was affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thumbs up guys. We're on 8.9k I think now. Really close to 10,000. So guys, hit the subscribe button if you're watching my video. Like, comment, share it, tell your mom about it, tell your baby daddy about it, tell your sister, tell your aunties, tell your grandpa, tell your brothers, tell your uncles, tell your dads, tell everybody to come check out my channel. Let's get me to 10k for the end of the month guys. For all the love I've been receiving, even though I've been away, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Don't worry guys, I'm so excited for this year, honestly. I just know that big things are going to happen for this channel and my supporters. Honestly, I love you guys so much. So just keep pushing. Let's get me to 10k guys. I'm going to be having a lot of interesting videos on my channel this year. Just know, this year there's going to be fun content, mind-growing conversations, mature conversations on this channel. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.
Tomorrow's ain't fucking with you on your worst day. I got
because you